Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw dito tayo sa camping site ng Phil, Isle of Man. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! Dito lagay natin dito ang tent guys. Yung mas malaki siguro lab. Ito yata ang mas malaki. Huh? This is the small one. Gano. This is for years, guys. Ha?
Yun siguro yung maliit. Oh.
Siguro, kalaay mo ang pinsan. Yan, kay tulak ko. Kailangan. Sandali, kailangan yung matangkad ba? Kaya yung ganun, oh. Bon, can you get the chair, Bon? There, the black one. The black. Kasi nga, hindi ko ito maitaas, oh. Yeah, that one, Bon. Malit man ito, no? Okay, hilahin mo doon, Bon. Kenshare. Hilahin mo doon sa kabila. Ay. Ipit. Yan. Yan. Baka si Bon ang magtira dito. Tapos saan yung isa, yung malaki? Baka si Kent dyan. O si Kent. O si ito ang malaki. Messi, hamulok. Yan. Ganyan lang muna. Ganyan lang muna, ha. Sana nga, sandali lang, magdikit lang. Saan ang pinto niyan? Hindi, magkabila man ang pintuan nito. Oo. May pinto dito sa likod, may pinto rin dyan. Para dalawa. Mamaya ayos lang. Ito. This one is bigger. Okay. Yan.
Oh my god, look how much room I have. Where is she? Look how much room I have.
Birahin mo dyan, Bon. Kinshare. Yan. Diba? Easy.
Ano po ang pintuan? Magpapintuan kayo. Para pintuan kayo. Ano po?
Magkaharapan.
Ron, yung ano first?
Kaya nga po.
Oh wait!
Mag-alis ka. Out ka muna, Bon. Out ka muna. Yan. Huwag mo natin buksan kasi hindi magdumi ha. Magpasok ang kuan. Tapos gusto niyo magkaharap ang pinto niya?
Oh.
Bakit itabi talaga?
Hello. Don't knock.
Hmm?
Okay na po.
Yan na.
More room, Rusty.
Tapos ito Bon, kuan kinshare. Ito ang cover niya sa taas. Sige. Taas. Dito. Yan. Ay, sana yung pintuan niya gani, Bon? Pasok mo, Bon. Ay, kuan, siya. May pinto dyan?
Ako dito. Ay,
Isabit yun na.
tali ko na dito. Gusto mo?
Huwag mo itali, isabit mo lang.
Okay po.
Di ba may sabit?
Opo, ito.
Hindi ito. Oh. Ito ba? Sabit mo lang ganun.
Tawagin mo muna si Ken doon. Ken? Oo. Eh, para
Tapos ito, kailangan ito dito sa labas. Ayan. Okay. Tapos ito yung door nyo. Okay.
Alin po dito? Okay po. Anong peg? Asan yan?
Ito.
Ay, parang di maano ng hanginan. Ay,
Maglagay tayo ng kuan,
open natin.
peg.
Open natin.
Hapakan mo lang, pwede na. Ito yung,
Ang ginagawa nila ni ate.
ito ang peg. Yan, karga mo na yan dyan. Isipar mo lang Ha?
Kasi alam ko makulan ang tubig ng iba dito.
Pwede man eh.
Kasi mag-ano ito.
Yan na oh. Hindi, tama na yan. Oo. Tapos ito dito.
Isa dito.
Ay, okay. Tapos ito Bon, kan, share, ganun mo ha. Ganyan mo. Tapos pag ganun ha, pahiga, ganun. Ito lang muna sa iyo, sa inyo, ni Kent. Yan.
Kailangan talaga sa ground.
Ground mo talaga. Bababa mo. Ano siya? Oh, lagyan mo na rin yan.
Dito, same pa itong side sa iba sa same.
Ha?
Or iba.
Same.
Itong peg.
Pwede. Same.
So you in Kent here? Yeah?
No.
You po in van lang. You okay, they're gone.
Got it.
Is it like this? Yeah, you can go inside with that. Oh! Let's have one pillow. No, you can have your bed. Oh, you like that?
Mainit eh. Kailangan buksan mo po ah.
Kasi naman yan, Paul.
Alam niya na. Tignan natin itong daw. Kompleto. Okay. So, unahin natin ang tent ng mga bata. Saan yung tent ng mga fan?
Ten.
Amoy paa.
Honestly, I just want rainbow.
If you have your own, said you have your own one for a reason. You don't belong here.
Lagay natin itong cover niya sa tuktok para hindi mabasa kung mag-ulan. Yan. Ganyan ba paglagay?
Ay, ewan ko, sabit ko dito sa parang may tali.
Oo, okay.
Tali na white.
Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Diyan nga yan. Yan sa white. Yan. Very good. Tapos ito. Tali tayo. Tali tayo dito. Dito.
Nice one.
Mum, theoretically, since it's just grassland right here, does that mean I could drive your car?
Yeah.
Let's go straight.
Yeah, just go straight.
I wouldn't get in if I were you, Mom.
And you were literally there.
Yeah, I was, yeah. With my mom's guidance.
I literally went in circles. Oh! Yeah, I think it's the blue door. It is.
Which tent?
You have like answer.
Which tent are you using?
Mom, which tent are you sleeping in? Look at us. Oh my god.
That one. Like, what's
Wow, hot man.
He's gonna be
Hi.
Pin ka namin. Maya mo matulog ka may nakatayo
You
dito.
take a photo now forward inside and send it to her mom.
Yeah, wait lang. Nasa car yung phone ko.
Next one, next.
Ba yan dito?
Follow I'm done.
How do you tie it? Like normal tie lang.
Mataas man yan nato yun.
Kung magtali, matakot ako ba? Okay, okay, fine. Tali lang.
Dito lang sa baba. Dito lang bon. Ah. Dito.
Dito daw, dito daw. Do you want ribbon tie?
Yeah. Or here. Fine here.
Ribbon tie lang.
Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Dito.
Ay,
Is it too enough?
No. It's better here.
Wow, hot.
Better here.
It's well hot. Can you open this?
No. Hanggang ganyan lang, Bon. Hindi mo na talaga matanggal yan.
Paano mo ni-open dito?
Which one?
Kay sabi ni Tita Alin.
Oh, i-open yan mamaya. Relax lang. I'm alone, Bon.
Okay,
Kung gusto mo, ikaw na mag-open.
tulog na ako. Isarado ko, kaya mainit. Ang windows ko open.
Ikaw?
I just saw that.
So what?
I don't know.
Patapon na yung bakal.
Beg, ang tawag yan po.
peg. Meron ka ng peg dyan. Peg. Follow what I've done, yeah, boys.
What's this guy doing? He's too dangerous.
No, when I see him, I'm just gonna do the same.
Hello! Welcome to my zoo! Hello!
Why are they together?
Back,
No!
back, your legs first.
Dinosaur!
Have you done it?
You can check.
Have you done it like that?
I
I did make it.
Oh.
I didn't make it yet.
You need, you need to do it like
I
this.
miss London. Are we going London?
Dad!
I don't know how you make the gap. Oh,
Yes.
you have to put the thing in the thing.
Yeah, just put the one there. Like that.
Hello, welcome to Lawrence's Zoo.
See? Adjustable.
I see.
Yeah, look. You can adjust that one.
Dance party!
Tighten.
Oot, oot,
See?
Dance party!
Bakit wala na?
Dance party!
Kulang ito.
Duck, wait, let's call that now.
Kulang ng isa. Oh,
Dance party! Oot, oot, oot.
it's okay. This one.
Guys, we need a show!
Can you go away? You're entering my property tomorrow.
Just open your windows, guys. Open the window.
That one in the other side as well.
What?
Yeah, I can open that one as well. The window in the other side.
That's not a window.
Yeah, door.
Just watching you. Making sure you do it properly. Can I kick it? No?
Yeah. Look, you can tighten this one. This one is not done properly. Oh no.
Bakit?
This
Done differently.
different
May banda.
dito.
Side. Asan kayo magluto doon?
Oh.
Asan yung hangin pag ganito?
Saan ang,
Mas mo kami ha.
saan ang malaki dito?
Eh, sa baba, mga pali.
Itong trapal natin. Hawakan mo ang trapal. Ay, hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Ten?
Oo, sa loob yan. Diyan yan. Ito. Yan.
Hindi, ten na.
Atin din.
Yes daw, yes.
So, how to put this one in? Just borrow this one. You know, this one. Follow this one. So, what is number 1?
Step 1. Clear the ground of stones.
Wala.
Wait lang. Clear the ground of stones, twig, and sharp object. Lay out the fly sheet with the door facing
ito.
away from the